Digital marketers are about to get another blow going into 2025, but if you want to have a competitive advantage when it comes to running ads, keep watching this video. And I'll show you exactly why my ads ecosystem strategy is pretty much bulletproof when it comes to the changes that are about to happen. For those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Laurel Portier. I'm the owner of adcoaching47.com, where I've now taught over 16,000 business owners how to run budget-friendly ad strategies in order to grow their business. And in every single video, I'm going to give you one strategy or tactic that you could immediately implement. And today, we're going to talk about the big change that is going to rock a lot of digital marketing strategies going into 2025. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know, but rest assured, if you are utilizing my ads ecosystem, you have absolutely nothing to worry about. So why is my ads ecosystem bulletproof against all of the changes that are happening? Well, first of all, do you guys remember what happened in 2021? A lot of people were calling it the pixel apocalypse, and ironically, it happened on my birthday. So I don't know if that was just fate or what, but here's the thing. None of my clients were really affected by that because of the strategy that I'm going to outline here. So if you're utilizing my ads ecosystem strategy, this literally won't affect you much at all. Okay, but here's what happened. So back in 2021, Apple gave users the option to be able to opt out of third-party tracking, meaning when you went to a website, you were able to say, hey, I don't want to be tracked, and then marketers like me could not stalk you, or marketers like me can, because of what I'm going to actually show you. Now, if you have no idea what's about to happen, well, let me tell you. So Google Chrome is following suit. As a matter of fact, those rollouts actually already started happening. We're already seeing a lot of people complaining that their retargeting sequences that are targeting their pixeled assets are not working like they used to. So if that's not proof enough, let me tell you what my friend Vince Reed and his team did just last week that kind of went, oh my God, okay? So here's what they did. They literally sent 17,000 people to a pixeled page. Now, what they noticed on the back end, and Vince is a lot more technical than I am, but literally they were able to go and see the data. The pixel only fired 2,000 times. 17,000 people visited a page and the pixel only fired 2,000 times. 15,000 views was not picked up by the pixel. So if that doesn't freak you out and you're spending a lot of money, well, I'm literally about to save you a ton of money, because if you don't have my ads ecosystem in place, I'm literally going to show you everything that we're doing with my clients in order to ensure that this next pixel apocalypse doesn't affect them at all, including a very advanced play that we do via the VSL funnel or sales page that will actually allow you to still continuously track your visitors. So if you want to have that competitive advantage going into 2025, keep watching this video. So here's the deal, okay? You have a pixel across your funnel. Now, the way that the pixel works is this is third-party data, right? We are sending people off of Facebook, off of YouTube to your website. And we're using site tags and pixels in order to do that. Okay, so that's what is actually going to be affected. So if you send 1,000 people to your funnel, it might only track like 200 people. That is a huge loss and lots of money just kind of going down the drain, right? But I'm going to show you exactly how to bulletproof your ad strategy so that you don't lose any money. So here's how my ads ecosystem works, okay? So you have a funnel and you are sending cold traffic to this funnel. Now, what my strategy does is it literally plugs every single hole within this funnel utilizing videos. Now, why do I use videos? Well, videos are actually first-party data because videos are hosted by the platform, okay? So people who are watching those videos actually get tracked. So they are not affected by anything that happens with the Facebook pixel. So that's good news, right? And especially good news because we build my ads ecosystem around a funnel. And so if you look at a typical sales funnel, there's always going to be 3 black holes, okay? And all my ad strategy does is literally plug these black holes of the funnel and we send people certain videos, okay? So for example, if I send 1,000 people to this landing page, only 20% of those people are going to opt in and go to the next step. So the lead pixel is going to fire. Well, it should, right? But again, remember, once Chrome rolls this out, this is going to get tracked less and less, okay? So 20% of people are going to opt in, but here's the deal. 80% will not. That doesn't mean that those people are not your ideal clients. That just means that, hey, you weren't enticing enough in this landing page, or they were like, I didn't want to watch a VSL. They don't have time to watch a VSL. So what we're going to do is we are going to retarget these people back to 3 to 5 minute videos that is still going to feed them the content that you need them to see here. Okay. Now we're also going to send cold traffic to these videos. Okay. So there's two concepts at play here, right? You're sending cold traffic to this funnel and people are going to opt in. Well, that is a physical list. Okay. We're going to send cold traffic to these videos and we're going to track people who are watching 25%. Now keep in mind, videos are on the platform, so you're not going to lose that data. It actually stays on the platform for 365 days, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to send the same traffic to these 3 videos, and we're going to retarget the people who are watching 25% or more, okay? So people who are watching 25% or more, we call those invisible leads because we can't see their names, their emails, or pretty much any information, but we can retarget them. So that's why that's called an invisible lead. And then this is called like a physical lead, right? Because you're actually getting those leads. And so not only will these power content videos create invisible leads out of cold traffic, we could also utilize them in order to send our traffic who has not opted in, give them another chance to become some type of lead, okay? So now we have that first black hole plugged, okay? So the second black hole is we're going to utilize 60-second Reels videos in order to push people to the back of the funnel, okay? This could be to a sales call. This could be to a sale. It doesn't matter. But what this is going to do is this is going to catch those leads who have opted in, but they haven't moved further. I mean, it happens all the time. How many of you guys have ever opted into a webinar and you never checked your email to go watch that webinar? Well, it happens all the time, right? But what do we know about those people? Well, they were interested in the information that is inside that webinar. So what we're going to do is we're going to intercept a conversation with these people. How are we going to do that? Well, we're going to take the information that's contained in that VSL or in that webinar, and we're going to make a handy dandy Google document or a PDF if you're fancy. I'm not fancy. I use Google Documents all the time. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a 60-second Reels video that is going to give away that value bomb. I call it a value bomb because I just give them away. I don't actually get people to opt in my world. But all you need to know is that you're going to give away a PDF or a Google Doc of the information that is here. Now, here's the thing. In Messenger, you're going to have a Messenger conversation and you're going to pre-qualify this person before sending them to the back of the funnel, whether that is to buy something or that is to book a call. Call setters really freaking love this strategy, and it works incredibly well because we're only spending $5 a day and we're intercepting these leads right here. Now, follow me. Remember, we're going to lose a lot of our ability to track people moving through our funnel unless we figure out a way to gather the information through a first party. Now, first party data can be emails, it could be videos viewed. Now, here's the thing. My buddy Vince Reed has a software that is called eBoov. He has set it up to where eBoov will pass people who are watching the VSL as first party data. He's got magical tech skills, guys, but he's made it happen. And so this is one of the competitive advantages that our clients are going to have going in 2025, because as soon as people press play, they don't even have to watch a certain percentage. As soon as they hit play on that page, we can then retarget them across all of our campaigns, because this is going to be passing first party data. Okay. I know we got a little tech, but guys, I'm not a technical person, but that's about my depth of understanding that. But so now we've got 2 campaigns plus a competitive advantage that is going to allow us to continue to track our audience and able to keep giving them content that's going to nurture them. Because what do we know about content, especially video content? The more that we can actually get people to watch our video, the more time that they spend with us, the more easy, or the easiest it is for them to get closed, right? And then there's another black hole here where we also put some strategically written videos here that, again, is going to nurture people until they're ready to actually take that action. So now you can see how this entire ads ecosystem is definitely going to be bulletproof going into 2025. Now, here's the thing. Right now is the time to actually get this set up, because remember, Google Chrome hasn't completely finished rolling out all of those updates. And so right now there's actually still time to collect a lot of this pixel data. And so if you want to have my entire ads ecosystem up and running before all hell breaks loose, go to adswithlaurel.com and you and I will actually tag team getting this put together within the next 7 days. That's always my goal. When people come into Lean on Laurel, I help them put up their ads ecosystem in the first 7 days, because we want to start tracking and collecting data and first-party data from our clients as fast as possible. One of my clients back in 2021, she is in the health space, and when the pixel apocalypse happened last time, a lot of data and targeting options were lost. Well, because we were running power content to her target audience, which at the time was targetable infertility, you could target all kinds of infertility interests. We had collected years of first-party data from people who had interest in infertility treatments. And so she didn't lose any data, even though her pixel didn't work like it used to, or even though she lost her targeting options, because we had been running this ecosystem strategy for so long. Business went on as usual. A lot of people outside of my clients had to shut their funnels off, and they had to figure out what to do. My clients were able to pretty much do business as usual, because my ads ecosystem was keeping all of that data on Facebook or on YouTube. And so they were able to just keep enrolling clients when a lot of other people had to literally shut all of that stuff down. So hope you got a lot of value out of this video. If you did, drop me some love below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.